The interesting thing about Sonos is when we're building a team, we actually do everything internal. So a lot of companies you'll find, especially these days, can outsource, hire a lot of consultants, leverage resources in Asia. One of the things that's really special about Sonos is we actually build our own teams in-house and do everything kind of from the ground up. So a team at Sonos really contains every aspect of engineering that you have heard of or might be involved in. We've got a mechanical engineering team that's very well staffed, electrical engineering team that's kind of split into a few buckets. One is digital, the other is analog, which includes the amplifier and the power supply design. We've got a wireless team or an RF team that does antenna design, as well as all the electronics to support RF communications. We've got an acoustics team that's involved in the design of the transducers, as well as the acoustical performance of the product. So, basically every type of engineer that we need to design a Sonos product, we have here in-house, and we build teams and staff teams with the right mix of engineers to develop awesome products. When we build teams at Sonos, we actually use a matrix organization. So you can imagine columns of teams. So we have an analog team, digital electronics, a wireless team, and each one of those teams can range from 5 engineers to, I think our mechanical team is probably the largest, maybe pushing around 40. And each team has a manager or a set of managers, and they report to those managers as their mentor. Their manager's job is to push the state of the art in that team. But when we build a project team, we actually have a team of I'll call them mini Steve Jobs, or very versatile ninjas who are very charismatic, have master's degrees in a technical field, and are able to drive and corral a group of engineers. So we basically create a team of 20 to 30 engineers, basically cutting through that matrix of functional groups. And those teams report to the person we call a product creation leader for the life of the product. My role at Sonos is the leader of the product creation leaders. So what we do is we have, right now we have 8 what we call PCLs at Sonos, and each PCL is driving a hardware program and or software program at Sonos.